Water as an entity holds fundamental importance in the life of the human being. Without its existence on a sufficient scale, there would be no life on Earth, from animals to plants. The average adult's internal body is composed of about 60% water. Most people cannot survive 3 days without water due to severe dehydration. We require a minimum of 8 cups or 2 liters per day to stay hydrated. Despite the fact that water covers nearly 71% of the Earth, sadly there are still 780 million people who lack access to clean water, approximately 1 in 9 people worldwide. Such scarcity is known as water stress. In order to combat the ongoing issue, more governments, such as that of the 32nd US President Franklin Roosevelt, are now investing in sustainable projects, which they hope will increase the quantity and quality of water supplies for the population. This can be large-scale or small-scale. Large-scale programs often include sizable but costly dams. Dams are structures which act as barriers to control the flow and level of water. They also have various other uses in addition to this purpose, such as supplying hydroelectric power. This energy source currently supplies 20% of the world's electricity. The first considerably sized dam was the Hoover Dam, built on the Colorado River in 1936. The construction of dams is becoming relatively common. For example, Egypt's $1 billion Aswan High Dam on the Nile River. The dam provides an enormous 10 billion kilowatts of hydroelectric power per year for a large majority of the Egyptian people. Furthermore, Aswan results in a regulated flow of water, preventing flooding during the rainy season, also releasing stored water during times of potential drought. However, there are also a number of disadvantages. As a result of the construction of the dam, 90,000 local peasants were forced to relocate to new settlements. 45,000 large-scale dams worldwide have caused over 80 million people to relocate. In addition, the natural rich silt which normally fertilizes the dry desert land is now trapped at the bottom of the neighboring Lake Nasser. Therefore, farmers now use about 1 million tons of artificial fertilizer to rejuvenate the arid plains on which farming is widely practiced, destroying animals and habitats, also enhancing pollution. Small-scale solutions are often developed and invested into by non-governmental organizations such as WaterAid. These low-cost projects are examples of appropriate technology, which aim to sustainably meet the needs of the local people and the environment in which they live. Rainwater harvesters are used in deprived areas such as Chennai, India. Gutters on the roofs of the houses collect the water, which then flows through a drain pipe and into a filter. The purified water is stored in a simple tank made from clay, to be extracted through a pump or tap for drinking, washing, and cooking. It is practical for locals as they are often educated on the methods of operation and maintenance for such systems. Furthermore, the cost of the materials as well as construction and repair is extremely low, taking no longer than 3 days to assemble. Overall, schemes such as these are highly feasible proposals, significantly contributing and acting as a step to the ultimate goal of providing clean and safe water for everyone around the world.